Have you ever caught your dog eating grass and wondered why they do it? It's a common behavior that many dog owners have observed. Let's take a closer look at why dogs eat grass and some ways to stop them from doing it. Evidence suggests that most dogs that eat grass aren't unwell beforehand, or at least they don't seem so. In fact, fewer than 10% of dogs seem to be sick before eating grass, according to their owners. And, contrary to popular belief, grass eating doesn't usually lead to throwing up. Less than 25% of dogs that eat grass vomit regularly after grazing. So, why do dogs eat grass? There are a few theories. Some suggest that dogs eat grass to improve their digestion or fulfill some unmet nutritional needs, including the need for fiber. In fact, one study reported on a miniature poodle that ate grass and then vomited every day for 7 years. After switching the dog to a high-fiber diet, the owner reported that the dog stopped eating grass entirely. And, of course, there is also the possibility that your dog simply likes the way grass tastes or feels. But what if your dog's grass-eating behavior becomes excessive or starts to worry you? Here are 7 ways to stop them from doing it. 1. Ensure they're getting enough exercise. If you suspect your dog is eating grass out of boredom, make sure they're getting enough exercise. Engage them in fun activities like playing fetch or going for a walk. 2. Switch to a high-fiber diet. If your dog's grass-eating behavior is caused by a nutritional deficiency, switching to better dog food, especially a high-fiber variety, could help alleviate the problem. 3. Monitor the grass they're eating. While grazing itself isn't harmful, certain herbicides and pesticides used on lawns can be toxic if ingested. Additionally, some common house and garden plants are toxic, which could lead to problems if your dog munches on them along with the lawn. Keep an eye on the grass your dog is consuming and ensure it's safe for them to eat. 4. Train your dog to stop. If your dog's grass-eating behavior is simply a result of their natural instinct or because they like the taste of grass, you may try to train them to stop. Food-oriented dogs can be trained using treats as rewards. Take them out to use the bathroom or for a walk with treats in hand. Whenever grass tempts them, use a treat to invite them back to the walking path instead. Affection-loving dogs can be trained using positive phrases and pets to reward desired behavior. You can also teach the heel command, which will keep your dog walking by your side, regardless of distractions. 5. Read the pet food label. When selecting dog food, read the label to ensure it's balanced and contains all the necessary nutrients your dog needs. A well-balanced diet can help reduce the likelihood of nutritional deficiencies that could lead to grass-eating behavior. 6. Use positive reinforcement. Another effective way to stop your dog from eating grass is by using positive reinforcement. Dogs respond well to positive reinforcement and it's a great way to train them. Whenever you see your dog not eating grass, praise them with positive phrases and pets. This will teach them that not eating grass is good behavior and they will be more likely to repeat it in the future. 7. Train your dog to heel. Teaching your dog the heel command can also be helpful in stopping them from eating grass. A dog that has mastered this command will walk by your side, regardless of distractions like grass. This training may take some time, but it's worth the effort. 8. Provide chew toys. Dogs may chew on grass because the texture and sensation of chewing is soothing to them, especially if they are teething or experiencing anxiety. Providing your dog with a variety of safe and durable chew toys can help satisfy their need to chew and reduce their desire to eat grass. Chew toys come in different shapes, sizes, and textures to cater to different chewing preferences. Some dogs may prefer soft and plush toys, while others may prefer hard rubber toys that can withstand heavy chewing. When choosing chew toys, it's important to consider your dog's size, age, and chewing strength to ensure the toy is safe and appropriate for them. Avoid giving your dog toys that are too small, as they pose a choking hazard, and toys that are too hard, as they can damage your dog's teeth. Supervise your dog while they chew to prevent them from accidentally swallowing pieces of the toy. In addition to chew toys, providing your dog with plenty of physical and mental stimulation through exercise, training, and playtime can also reduce their urge to chew on grass. A tired and stimulated dog is less likely to engage in destructive behaviors like grass eating. So these are the reasons why dogs eat grass. They include boredom, nutritional deficiencies, and simply liking the taste. While it's generally not harmful, it's important to keep an eye on what kind of grass your dog is eating to make sure it's not contaminated with pesticides or other harmful substances. If you're concerned about your dog's grass-eating behavior, consult with your veterinarian. And by providing enough exercise, offering a high-fiber diet, and using positive reinforcement and training techniques, you can help stop your dog from eating grass. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our content and subscribe to help us reach the 1000 subscriber mark. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.